Getting in and out of your truck should not be a hassle. That's why the Canyon Rock Slider from Paramount Automotive is so great. You can get in, you can get gone, and keep your truck protected. The Canyon sliders are a great addition to your Tacoma build. They are a great step, but not only that, they act as a slider to protect the sides and undercarriage of your truck while plowing through the dirt. And protect they do. They are 4 millimeters thick, so they can deflect rocks and be the layer between your rocker panel and the ground when you need it. The Canyon Rock Sliders are as tough as they come, and they look just as tough. The slider portion hugs tightly to the rocker panel to give you more ground clearance than a lot of other sliders. The step has a durable anti-skid polypropylene step pad to prevent slipping and accidents. The step pad is close to 5 inches wide, so you'll have a solid and sturdy step to get you in and out of your Tacoma. It's coated in a multi-stage, fine texture black powder coat finish to give this bumper corrosion resistance for years to come. The Canyon slider fits perfectly with the rest of the Paramount Automotive style and will give you the peace of mind that your truck is protected. Installation is simple. They're an easy bolt-on installation with the included heavy-duty body mount brackets. If you're interested in the Canyon Rock Slider from Paramount Automotive, or you need help with installation, check out our store locator on screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure you come back next week for more new videos. See you then on In the Garage.